What led me to Diamond was I love science. Synchrotrons exist to do the kind of science that you can't do anywhere else.
Diamond Light Source is the UK national synchrotron facility. Its purpose is to enable science to happen for the UK.
Behind every breakthrough we do in science, there's engineering, there's software. Everybody at Diamond plays an important role to make sure the science gets done.
My role consists of processing vast quantities of data. The sort of detectors that I work with doing MX crystallography produce gigabytes per second. What I work on specifically is real-time analysis.
My job at Diamond involved the designing and support of Diamond's beamline, especially the imaging and microscopy group.
As head of engineering at Diamond, I manage the engineering function, which are the teams that develop the technology that's used here, both for the science experiments on beamlines and for the accelerators themselves.
There are people that support purchases. There are people that are designing new equipment based on the collaboration with the scientists. Other people that would put the equipment together, build something that nobody ever built before.
There is no typical day at Diamond. Every day is different. There's a new challenge or something else happening.
Some days I'm deep in GPU code, developing, I'm in my lane, I'm at my computer. On the flip side of that, I also get to collaborate with a lot of people. I get to get up from my desk, walk out into the particle accelerator that I work at, and come meet the scientists and the users that actually use my code.
We have so many different users coming to our beamlines. We as engineers, we need to provide them with solutions to enable them to do their research.
Diamond is here to solve the problems of tomorrow.
Supporting science through engineering to solve big challenges.
The impact of Diamond is extremely broad. We cover many different areas, from developing vaccine and therapeutics to developing new batteries, new solar cells, alternative energy sources.
We helped characterize the parts of the COVID virus.
Life sciences, hardcore physicists, social sciences.
Everyone's so passionate, and there's so much to learn. You can be in a room with PhD particle physicists, chemical engineers, biologists, and if you have a question or want to know anything, you're a few meters away from someone who is an expert in their field.
We work really collaboratively, and I think that's one of the fun things about working here, is that it's across multiple disciplines and multiple people and backgrounds.
We have so much to do, so many projects to run in Diamond. We are trusted with tasks and projects. We are listened and trusted really at every stage.
I came for the science, but I stayed here for the people. And I mean that really. The work culture here is passion.
Everyone is passionate about what they do. They're really approachable, and they really like to invest time into solving problems together.
I'm really proud of my team at Diamond. They come together and they support one another, and they support me. Even when I'm having a challenging day, you get uplifted by the team around you. So everybody works really hard together, and they recognise it. We recognise it in each other.
The science roles are what really drew me, not the other big tech firms. This was something a bit more meaningful. Once I came across the Diamond's career page and I saw it's a synchrotron particle accelerator, I thought I didn't think I really stood much of a chance at all, but I applied, and I feel like you miss every shot that you don't take, and I'm glad that I took this one.